looking for the Red Cross?
It's cross over there. Over there.
Next street?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, ana lang mo ma'am, gawas lang mo siksik ma'am. Gawas di sa Kapitol ma'am, ma'am katong akuan ma'am. Katong nga building ma'am. Yellow ma'am. Gawas sa Kapitol. Oh, right side oh. Oh, kana nga building ma'am, kana nakita niyo ma'am.
Sige, salamat kayo.
Can we go around?
Oh, exit.
Salamat. Okay folks, we are here at the Red Cross here in Butuan City. We can't really make our way down south, so we wanted to donate somehow. So we found the Red Cross here in Butuan City, close to the capital over here. They're having an event over here, so sorry if it's interrupting this, but you can come to the Red Cross, make a donation. You can also go to, I believe, Landmark Bank. I will put that in the description down below. But if you're out here in the Philippines and you're a guest, might do your part and give a little bit. Help out those victims down south. Cotabato. Thank you. Hi there. We'd like to make a donation.
How? Two of you or only one?
Two.
Okay.
And we would like to know how we can volunteer for future events.
Just go upstairs at the office, sir.
Oh, upstairs.
For the event and the donation is
Okay. And this can go to the earthquake victims.
just fill up the information, please. Just
Okay. Okay, salamat. You want me to come in?
You can put in.
Oh, just me.
You can put your things there. And also the things in your pocket.
Oh.
Okay.
This is for
Wait.
donation for the earthquake?
Yeah.
Monetary.
What?
Monetary.
Monetary? Voluntary.
Monetary. I want to donate for the earthquake.
Earthquake daw. So you're not donating for blood?
Not today.
Not today. That's it. For it, earthquake, okay, can go upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I can go with you.
Yeah. Next time.
I thought you will donate blood.
Next time.
Yeah. Mawala ako naman dito man siya. Rexel, sure, dira. Natin nga dito. Magsulit daw siya for earthquake. Hindi daw blood.
It's okay. You want to come, Ma?
You can come here.
No problem. We want to inquire about volunteering too.
Okay, mag-donate sa papel, mag-donate of blood, mag-donate daw siya for earthquake.
Ay, kasi na ba dito?
Hindi ko po katay na siya. I will donate for earthquake.
Hi. Yes. We'd like to donate for the earthquake relief.
mag-donate from Military Arctic. Okay.
Na.
Usaha na sinabot sa Medtech sa August.
Bisa ma'am.
Okay lang. Thank you. So in the future kung mag-volunteer, no, kanang like mag-volunteer ko na nang lang more people gani.
Just general volunteer.
Oh, kung
In
like,
case of
I thought you will donate blood. That's why I'm going to have your initial in the future
it's
lang.
okay. I'll do that next time.
Okay.
Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Alright guys. Thank you. We hope to volunteer with you guys. Okay? Okay. Salamat.